Today is Friday, February 21st, 2025. About 1:40 p.m. Eastern Time in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. We are outside the Cleveland Public Library. Excuse the construction going on across the street. But I'm going to be heading into Brett Hall, which is in the original library building of the two buildings, to check out the band, which is the latest exhibit that is in there. Hopefully they're all operating. I passed by here in December and only 4 of the 5 robots were operating. The 5th one, which I think was the tiny green one you see at the top, was not in operation. So I was originally filming then, but I decided not to publish it because they weren't going to be doing the coordinated dance they were supposed to do. So let's see how it looks this time around. So it looks like all 5 of them are in operation now. When I was here last time in December, that green one right over there wasn't moving. So they're supposed to be doing a coordinated dance using also like artificial intelligence to know the movement so they're not running into things or running into people. A little bit about the art. Samuel Borkson and Arturo Sandoval, friends with you. 5 autonomous robots visiting the library. Journey to our planet from a distant dimension where sound is matter. Each robot is programmed with an individual personality and frequency. As you mingle with the robots, look for their unique behaviors and listen for the sounds they emit roaming through Brett Hall. It was interesting how it seemed to time up making a sound right when you touch it. This is the one I didn't get to see before. And of course you're inside the beautiful Brett Hall. The architecture and colorful nature of everything. The big wide yellow one. See how it swear it times up right when you touch it, either the lights change or it makes a little different bit of a sound. Prior to this exhibit, the previous exhibits was where they had a bunch of flowers hanging from the ceiling. Let's see, I'm not sure if I know which one is which name, but they do have names. One of them is called Rock, Ets, Licks, PMJ, and Fur. If you have a chance to, make sure you're able to come down to the Cleveland Public Library and see the exhibit. Let me look online real quick to see if it says how long the exhibit will be here. It says until spring of 2025, so there's not a specific deadline listed at the moment. So get here before it changes. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.